Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create this kind of a text effect in Photoshop. First, let's type the text you need. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Follow my steps accurately and watch the tutorial until the end to get the perfect results. And guys, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, join now using the link given in the description and pinned comment for more updates and resources. And there you have it. A cool text effect in Photoshop. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in another wonderful and exciting tutorial.